Ah, once again, West Visayas State University. That's Thea. Iche, walking. Say. We are touring. We are now approaching Quezon Hall, not the CR. So the CR is there. So West Visayas. My alma mater. Here. Yung sa dulong CR ng Han. March on. Yellow hills. Doon sa dulo yung babae, che. Ito yung hall. Hall ng West Visayas. The famous Quezon Hall. Nagpo-produce ng outstanding teacher ng Marikina, Mr. Villar. This is Thea.
Hello.
Say hello, Thea.
Hello.
Say hello to Ate Gian. Hello, Ate Gian.
Hello, Ate Gian.
Okay. Diretso kayo si Arche. Ito yung mga fan namin. It's the campus. The entire campus. Dito graduate ng college.